Okay, another video about type. Um, what I have in front of me is, on this document, is a poster that I created a while ago. Sorry the theme isn't more upbeat, but it was the quickest one I could find on my computer. If we look at this poster, you can see that I've got multiple text lines here, and I've manipulated the type at the bottom as well. Just kind of previewing the layer palette here. If I look at the layers, you can see this particular poster has a lot of layers in it, okay? For your project, your project number 3, keep in mind that you only are required to use 3 images. You certainly can use more if you'd like to. I do want to show you how to create this effect again. What this is a clipping mask on the type, and I'll go ahead and show you just to kind of look at what I already did to this. I've got the type Soldier of War here. I added effect here, which was a stroke. I added a drop shadow, so just keep that in mind. And I also did the clipping mask, and I'll show you how to do that. So what I'm going to do is flip to another document where I have this type just isolated. I've got the photo that I'm going to need, and I've got the type. Again, this type was from this poster, and I had added a couple effects to it. Okay, now to do the masking, let me turn that back on, my drop shadow. What I want to do is bring the image into this file on top of my type layer. Okay, so I'm going to go to my sky photo. I'm going to go ahead and use my selection tool to select the whole image, and I'm going to copy the pixel. So I'm going to go edit, copy. I'm going to flip back over to this document, and I'm going to go edit, paste. Okay, now this photo is on top of my text layer. Let me change tools here for right now. I'll just move it down here. And what I want to do is create a clipping mask. To do that, you can there are a couple ways of going about it. You can right click on your mouse if you've got a 2-button mouse, and you can create clipping mask. Okay? Let me move that up. There we go. The photos here. I should have repositioned the photo first. Let me go back and undo that. Release clipping mask. Okay, I'm going to move the photo up and the text up. Okay, the text is behind here now. Let me go ahead and do that again. I can right click and create clipping mask, and once I do that, I can move the image around within the text. Okay, and I'm going to release that again and show you another way of going about doing it. Just the photo a little bit. And you can also go under your layer palette and create clipping mask. That'll work as well. Again, that was the effect that I used here on this type.